Hi you all, I am back. Today's actually been pretty crazy. I just got off a flight from Detroit. Right now I'm packing. I am moving actually tomorrow. Getting this couch was such a whole thing. They broke my couch the first time they tried to deliver it. So, you know, really happy that this is here. Obviously it stressed me the hell out.
Job and not working over summer for science, and I started looking at things. I was like, first of all, you initially, and so basically.
It is Friday night. Your girl ain't doing nothing. I am doing laundry right now and just cleaning up my apartment. Not really fun, but this is adulting. Always cleaning. Myself some breakfast. So I have 1 egg and egg whites, turkey bacon, put a little bit of maple syrup on there, and then some blackberries and 2 pieces of pineapple because they're just a little bit higher in sugar. Let me pause this. But yeah, so doing that, and yeah, this is my breakfast. Ooh, my camera is definitely about to die. I picked these up in Target yesterday. They're the Poppy. I've never tried them before. I was gonna buy the box, but I was like, you know what, they sell individually, so I got 2 different flavors. So this is 25 calories. Love that. And has 4 grams of sugar. And I'm honestly getting to that age where some stuff is just like too sweet. I am deciding to go work from the library today. Put a little bit of makeup on. Yeah, the lighting in my bathroom is freaking okay. So let's not talk about that. I'm using the Haus by Gaga, color 480. Like this because it's like my skin color. Like, can you even tell? No. So listening to the Hood Healer, her lives. I do listen to her. I don't think you have to agree with everything to listen to people, if that makes sense. I don't know. I kind of am that person that welcomes challenge and different viewpoints in my life, as long as they're not racist, sexist, or misogynist, or like something like that. I also know people are entitled to their own wrong opinion, but I'm gonna at least listen to you. Oil. Are you freaking kidding me? Today we bake. I really like this lip combo. Yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm editing the end of this video. Whoa. I'll say a lot has changed within the last year, and I'm pretty sure my content will reflect that as well. As you all can see, I'm in my own space now. Adulting is adulting. I just want to say thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I hope you're doing good. All right, bye y'all.